Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add blank lines after each paragraph or a sentence in a Microsoft Word document using VBA. So this can be incredibly useful if you need to format a document quickly and consistently. Let's jump right into it. So first, if you are not familiar with VBA, it stands for Visual Basic for Application. It's a programming language you can use within Word, Excel and other office programs to automate tasks. To access VBA in Word, press Alt plus F11. Just after that you will come into it and then it will open the Visual Basic application editor. So now let's write the code. So first, for that, insert and module, and here we will paste the code which I will provide into the description, so you can get from that. So copy that code and paste it here. After that, just save it and it will say this will be run after changing the document extension into macro. So I will go to escape and save this and save as type as Word macro enable document, and I will keep the name. So for that I am keeping the name for macro VBA and save it. After that, save this and close this and close this, and you can see my VBA is now ready. I will open this file and then I will enable this macro and then hit Alt plus for to run this code. We will press Alt plus F8. Just hit there Alt plus Alt F8, and then you will see that my macro name is this AddBlankLines, and just hit run, and now you can see the blank lines are auto generated. So in each words you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 blank lines are inserted in each row. So this is the way you can, if you need only 2 rows blank rows, then just go to Alt 11 and you can change it here. I have inserted here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 9 10. So if I want only 2, then I will remove this all and leave it only 2. I will delete it and save it. And now if I delete this all and if I write anything 1B and now enter Alt 8 and run this, you will see only 2 blank rows are inserted. So in this way you can change as per you required. So if you that's it, you are now automated the process of adding blank lines after every paragraph in each word using VBA. This simple trick can save you a lot of time if you are working with large documents. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks with Word and VBA. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.